Right, we've got presents to open. Hang on. Okay, hang on. Hang on.
Look at this big present. It's too hard to for me.
I know. Hang on. This is a little one from Harriet. Why don't you open that one? This is a little present from Harriet. Oh, what's that?
What is it, love?
You go and take it up to the screen and show Nana and Papa. It's a Chuggington.
Chuggington.
Oh, Henry, aren't you
Take it
lucky?
out and stick it. Have we
Oh, no.
Here we go, love.
Let's see what
It's really heavy. Oh, look at this big one, Nana and Papa. Oh.
Big one. That one.
You know what it is?
I don't know.
It's a big scooter.
I'm not
Oh, you are big enough now. You've turned 3. You've turned 3.
I'm not big.
You are big enough now because you're 3 now, isn't he, Jenny?
That won't fit on my line.
It will fit on you. Well, it's your Chuggington one.
It's slippy.
Look, it's a fancy one with big fat wheels. Need to work out how to.
Oh, and maybe this goes in.